Happy morning, guys. Happy to see you all in this beautiful location. So today we are about to discuss one problem. So what is that? It is about standard deviation. So this is the problem. So here they are given two brands of bulb. Okay, so brand A and brand B, and we are supposed to find which one is what highly reliable. So that is the problem we are going to discuss now. So the problem number 3, which one's life is more very high and which is more dependable. That is what we are going to discuss. The problem number 3. Now we are about to discuss this question. So there are two brands of bulb. There is brand A, brand B. We can able to make Philips or Crompton. It's up to you. So among these two, we have to find which one is more reliable and which one is more dependable. So for as we discussed early yesterday's session, which one is more higher, whose standard deviation is higher, that bulb will be most reliable, and whose coefficient is higher, that is more dependable. Okay. So let us do this in a small worksheet. So what is the formula? I hope you all know the formula for what standard deviation in continuous series. So standard deviation in continuous series. Are you all there, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So standard deviation in continuous series. I repeat once again the formula for standard deviation and standard deviation in continuous and discretes both are same formula. Okay, both have same formula, for no need to confused. Okay. So what is that formula? Can you repeat? There is sigma sigma f x square, yeah, sigma fx square divided by sigma f. Sigma f. So we all know what is sigma f. What is sigma f? Sum of frequency. Okay. So sigma fx square. Sigma fx square divided by sigma f minus sigma fx divided by sigma f to the whole square. To the whole square. And don't forget to make this square root. Okay, so square root is compulsory. So this is the formula for standard deviation in continuous series and discrete series. Okay, so that is sigma fx square divided by sigma f minus sigma fx by sigma f to the whole square. And already I have told you that sigma fx by sigma fx square, this is what this sigma, okay, in the bracket, okay, bracket part. This we will call it as what? Arithmetic mean. So sigma fx by sigma f, that is our arithmetic mean. So let me continue this problem in our worksheet. Okay. So let us find. We will go for brand A first of all. Okay. So first of all, we'll go for brand A. So this is our brand A. So this life is our class, that is our continuous series. Okay. And brand A, that is frequency. This is our frequency. Okay. So guys, are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our class, and this is our frequency, and this is this problem. This is the problem we are going to discuss. So first thing, what we need to find. So here they are given class, right? So we need to find mid value as like midpoint, as we have identified for a arithmetic mean. We need to find. There is 0 plus 50 divided by 2. That
25.
is how much? 25. Then 150 divided by 2. That is 70.
75.
Yes. Okay. Then 250 divided by 2. 25.
125.
125.
So 125, sir.
Yes, thank you, Simple. Sorry. Then 350 divided by 2.
175.
175. Then 450 divided by 2.
225.
225.
225. So this is our midpoint, right? So this is as usual what we have to identify for arithmetic mean. Okay. So this is our midpoint. So what is our formula? Sigma fx squared divided by sigma f. So we need to find x square, right? So this is our x square. So x into x, x into x. That is what we so here I can make it as x square. Okay. So what is our x square? That is 25 into 25, right? Yes. 25 into 25 is our x square. That is how much? 625. Then 75 into 75. 5625. Then 125 into 125. We'll be getting how much? 15,625. Then 170. We need to make 175 into 175. So 30,625. Then 2225 into 225. So this is what x square. Okay. So x square we got 25 into 25, 625, 75 into 75, 5,625, 125 into 125. So we have done what? X into x square. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now what we have to identify? We need to find. We need to find fx. Okay. Okay. So what is our f? So this is our f, right? So this will be our f, and this will be our x. So what we are doing? We are going to multiply these two, f into x. Okay, that is f x. Okay. So just I am applying formula. What is our f? This is
375.
into x. So 375. So next 20 into 75 will be getting 1500. Then 18 into 125, 2000. 250, then 25 into 175, that is 4375, then 22 into 225, we'll be getting 49550. So this is our fx value. So now, is there any doubt? Then we need to identify fx square. So this is our fx square, right? Yes. So we need to multiply f into x square values. Okay, so this is our f and this is our x square. So that is f x square. Okay, so just I make this as small x into x. That is f x square. Okay, just for understanding purpose. So that is 15 into 625. So it is 9375. Next 20 into 5625, that is 11,000, sorry, 1,12,500. Then 18 into 15,625, then 25 into 30,625, then 22 into 50,625. Okay, so this is what our x square, fx square values. Okay, so is there any doubt, guys? Is there any doubt? So this is how we have to do. Okay, so fine. So finally we found what fx square, right? So sigma fx f into x, then fx square. So fine, we need to find what sigma fx and sigma fx square. So this is our sigma fx. So we need to add 375 plus 1500 plus 2250. Okay, so we need to add all these values. So let me go for auto sum. That is, we need to add all the values. When we add all the values, we will get 13,450. So we need, and then again, I need to add a sigma fx square. That is 9,375 plus 1,12,500. So let me give auto sum. We'll be getting 22,82,500. So this is sigma fx square. And what is our sigma f? That is already, it is mentioned in our question. That is 100. Is there any doubts? So you can able to find sigma f and sigma fx square, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now we will find our standard deviation. So what is the standard deviation? Square root, right? Square root sigma fx
Sigma
square divided by sigma f
sigma f.
minus sigma f by sigma fx sigma fx by sigma f to the whole square. The bracket, yeah, square root. So, any doubts? Shall we get into the topic? Okay. So let us do this one. So let me do this in whiteboard. Okay. So just remember these values. So what is our, and this is for brand A. Okay, this is for brand A. Fine. So what is our sigma fx square? That is 22 lakhs 82,500. So this is our sigma fx square divided by sigma f, that is 100. Guys, are you all there?
Yes, sir.
So minus, what is our sigma? Sigma f. Sigma f is 13,450 divided by, what is our sigma f? That is 100. So to the whole square, right? So to the whole square. So don't forget to go for your square root. It is compulsory. Okay, so square root is compulsory. Okay, fine. So we need to simplify. So in the end of the we can strike out these two zeros. So what is our sigma of x square? That is just 22,825, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minus again there is uh, 134.50, right? To the whole square. So again square root, don't forget. So 20,825 minus, so 134 square, that is 134.5 into 134.5, how much? That is 18,090. Okay, 0.25. So same square root. So 22,000 minus so 22,000 minus 18,090, how much? Are you all there, guys?
Yes, sir.
So minus 22,825. That is 4,735.75. Okay. So we will again, we don't forget for the square root. So now we are going to remove the square root for 4,000. Okay. So what is the value? So when we remove square, what is the square root of? There, guys.
Yes, sir.
So what is the square root of this value? There is 4,735.75 square root is, that is 68.81. So what is our standard deviation? That is t is equal to 68.81. This is our standard deviation for brand A. So is there any doubt? So this is our standard deviation for brand A. Are you all there, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So just remember in your mind. So now we will go for brand B, and which one is more, which one gives higher life. Okay, we will do that now. So what is our brand B? Okay, just let it be here as it is. That is 68.81 is for brand A. Then we will go for brand B. So what is our brand B? Will go. So let us go. So this is our class. Okay. So this is for brand B bulb. Okay. So what is our brand B bulb? This is our frequency. So this is our frequency. Right. So as usual, we need to find first mid value. So what is our midpoint? Already we found midpoint here, right? We will copy and we will paste the same midpoint here. So no need to waste of our time by repeating that work. So now we need to find what? X square, right? So this is our x and we need to find x square. So x square we already found, it is here, right? Yes or no? This is our midpoint. So this is our midpoint and our x square value is same. What we have found already, just we are copying that same value. Now we are going to find this is our f. So this is our f and this is our x square. So now we are going to identify f into x square values. That is, so first we will go first. We will go for fx. Okay, so this is our f and this is our x midpoint. So we will go for fx. So what is our fx? So that is 2 into 25. That is 50. Then 8 into 75, 600. Then 60 into 125, 7,500. 25 into 175, 4,375. Then 5 into 225. That is 1,125. So this is our fx value. Now we are going to identify f into x square, f into x square values. So what is our f into x square? So we will go for f x into x. Just for our understanding purpose, we just make x square like this. So that is 2 into 625. That is 1,250. Then 8 into 5,625. Then 60 into 15,625. So this is what fx square values. Okay. So now we'll go sigma f. So what is our sigma f? Sigma f, we need to add all the values sum. Okay, this is our sigma fx square. That is 20 lakhs 25,000. Sorry, yes, 20 lakhs 2,500. And our sigma f is 13,650. And sigma f we know already it's 100. Okay, so are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just remember the sigma f x square and sigma f value, then we will finalize the problem. So which one gives higher life? Okay. So shall we go for next?
Yes, sir.
Shall we? So we will discuss in whiteboard. So what is our sigma fx square? That is 20,000. Sorry, 20 lakhs 2,500, right? Divided by 100 as it is. And our sigma fx is 13,650. divided by 100. So divided by 20, that is, so we just remove these two zeros. So what is the value? So 20. So 20,025 and 136.5. Okay. So again 20,025 minus what is our 136? There is 136.5. Wait a second. So there is 136. Are you all there, guys?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
136.5 into 136.5, which gives 18,632. 18,632.25. Okay. So now we need to subtract this value 18,632 minus, that is 20,025. So what is our value? That is 1,392. 1,392.75. Okay. So now we are going to remove square root for this value. Okay. That is 1,392.75 square root, that is 37.31. 37.31 is the standard deviation for brand B. So which one more? Which brand A or brand B which gives a higher life? Brand A, right? So brand A gives higher life. So we know very well since brand A gives higher life. So what about the coefficient of standard deviation formula? I will remember coefficient of standard deviation. There is standard deviation. Let me work it out here. So that is coefficient is standard deviation and divided by arithmetic mean into standard deviation by arithmetic mean into 100.
100.
So as usual, we know very well. So standard the which one gives higher life? That is brand A gives higher life compared to brand B. That is more dependable compared to brand A. How we know very well, right? So what is our standard deviation for brand A? That is 68.81, right? 68.81 divided by what is our arithmetic mean? 1. Have you remember the arithmetic mean value? 134.5, right? So into 100. So into 100. So what is the answer? So 68.81 divided by 134.5, which is equal to 0.5115. 0.5115 into 100. So this is equal to 51.6. 0.15. That is the coefficient of water. Brand A. And what about brand B? So we know very well. So since the coefficient, that is the standard deviation of brand A, 68.1, 68.81, and the coefficient, then standard deviation for brand B is 37.31. So definitely brand A gives higher water. It is more dependable compared to brand B. Okay, I request you people to do this as a homework. I request you people to find out what is the standard deviation for coefficient of standard deviation for brand B, and you just WhatsApp me. Okay. So is there any doubt, guys?
No.
So